Did you know that a stroke, also known as a brain attack, is the biggest cause of acquired disability in Ireland? This silent attack is not as visible as a heart attack, but it can be just as deadly. Let's delve a bit deeper into what a stroke really is. A stroke occurs when a blood vessel carrying oxygen and nutrients to the brain bursts or is blocked by a clot. This interruption of the blood supply to part of the brain can damage or destroy brain cells, leading to potentially devastating consequences. The brain you see is nourished by one of the body's richest networks of blood vessels. With every heartbeat, a staggering 20 to 25% of the blood that your heart pumps is directed towards your head. Their brain cells use at least 20% of the food and oxygen carried by the blood to function normally. But what happens when this process is disrupted? When a stroke occurs, brain cells in the affected area are starved of the nutrients they need. Depending on the severity and location of the stroke, this can lead to a range of symptoms, from minor physical weakness to more severe problems like loss of speech or even paralysis. In some cases, the damage caused by a stroke can also trigger the onset of certain forms of dementia. Dementia is a term used to describe a group of symptoms affecting memory, thinking, and social abilities. It's not a specific disease, but rather a group of symptoms caused by different diseases, many of which are related to stroke and other types of brain damage. Understanding what a stroke is and how it impacts the brain is the first step. The second step is knowing how to prevent it. These steps, which we'll delve into in the next scenes, involve maintaining a healthy lifestyle, managing your blood pressure, and adopting a balanced diet. So as we mark National Brain Awareness Week, let's keep in mind the silent attack of a stroke. Understanding the silent attack of a stroke is the first step towards better brain health. Awareness is the first step, but action is the key. Let's arm ourselves with knowledge and take proactive steps to protect our brain health. The term dementia might sound familiar, but do you know what it really means? Dementia is a broad term used to describe a group of symptoms that affect memory, thinking, and social abilities, to an extent where it interferes with a person's daily life. But let's clear up a common misconception. Dementia isn't a specific disease. Rather, it's a collective term for various conditions that negatively affect our brain health. Now you might be wondering, what causes dementia? One significant factor is the damage to the blood vessels that supply oxygen to our brain. These vessels, part of one of the body's richest networks, are crucial for our brain cells' normal functioning. With every heartbeat, about a quarter of the blood from our heart is pumped to our head, nourishing our brain cells. But when these vessels are damaged, it can lead to a stroke or other destructive impacts on the white matter of the brain, potentially causing some forms of dementia. So how can we combat this? The Dementia Understand Together campaign comes into play here. Led by the HSE in collaboration with several organizations, this campaign encourages everyone to make simple lifestyle changes to maintain brain health and reduce the risk of developing some types of dementia. The goal is to promote understanding and awareness about dementia, break down the stigma associated with it, and foster an inclusive society for those living with the condition. But remember, dementia isn't just one disease. It's a term that encompasses many conditions, each with its own cause and progression. Alzheimer's disease, vascular dementia, and Lewy body dementia are just a few examples. And while not all forms of dementia can be prevented, understanding the risk factors and taking proactive measures can significantly reduce the likelihood of developing certain types. Dementia isn't a specific disease, but a term encompassing many conditions that can affect our brain health. So let's strive to understand, empathize, and support those living with dementia, while doing our best to safeguard our own brain health. Wondering how to boost your brain health and reduce the risk of a stroke? It's simpler than you might think. Let's dive into some proactive steps you can take to improve your brain health. Firstly, let's talk about physical activity. An active lifestyle is like a magic potion for your brain. It helps lower your blood pressure, maintain a healthy weight, and increase levels of good HDL cholesterol. So whether it's a brisk walk in the park or a high-intensity workout, remember to move your body every day. Next up is the importance of a healthy, balanced diet. What you eat directly affects the structure and function of your brain. Aim to eat a wide variety of healthy foods. Vibrant fruits and vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains should be your go-to. Using the food pyramid as a guide can help ensure you get all the vitamins, minerals, fiber, and goodness your brain needs. Now let's discuss a habit that needs to be kicked. Smoking. Stopping smoking will almost halve your chances of having a stroke, no matter how long you've been a smoker or how old you are. The moment you quit, your risk starts to fall. It's never too late to stop. Lastly, it's crucial to manage your blood pressure. High blood pressure is a silent killer that can significantly increase your risk of a stroke. Regular checkups and a healthy lifestyle can help keep your blood pressure under control. Remember, a normal blood pressure is 120/80 and 130/90 for anyone on medication. These are simple everyday habits that can make a world of difference. They not only reduce the risk of a stroke, but also contribute to overall brain health. Remember, it's not about making drastic changes overnight. It's about making small, consistent changes that over time add up to big results. Adopting these habits can significantly reduce the risk of developing a stroke and improve overall brain health. So let's start today, one step at a time, to a healthier brain and a healthier you. Did you know that what you eat can directly impact your brain health? Our diet plays a crucial role in maintaining brain health and reducing the risk of dementia. Nourishing your body with the right foods provides the brain with essential nutrients, helping it function optimally and combat diseases. One diet that's been associated with improved brain health is the Mediterranean diet. This eating pattern emphasizes fruits, vegetables, whole grains, fish, and healthy fats, while limiting red meat and unhealthy fats. Research has shown that individuals who adhere to a Mediterranean diet have better cognitive function and a lower risk of dementia. But it's not just about the foods you eat, it's also about the nutrients they provide. Certain vitamins and minerals are particularly important for brain health. For example, low levels of vitamins D, B6, and B12, as well as folate, can increase the risk of dementia. These vitamins are essential for brain function, and deficiencies can lead to neurological problems. Vitamin D, sometimes called the sunshine vitamin, plays a role in brain development and function. It can be found in foods like fatty fish, beef liver, and egg yolks, as well as fortified dairy products. The B vitamins, including B6 and B12, are involved in many brain processes, including the production of neurotransmitters, chemicals that transmit signals between brain cells. Good sources of these vitamins include meats, eggs, dairy products, and fortified cereals. Folate, another B vitamin, helps the body make DNA and other genetic material, and it's necessary for the brain's function and development. It can be found in foods like leafy green vegetables, fruits, nuts, beans, and peas. So incorporating these foods and nutrients into your diet can be a powerful tool in maintaining brain health. Remember, it's not about a single superfood or an isolated nutrient, but a well-rounded, balanced diet that provides a range of nutrients. While diet is just one piece of the puzzle in brain health, it's a piece we have a lot of control over. With every meal, we have an opportunity to nourish our brains and support our overall health. A well-balanced diet is not just good for your body, but essential for your brain health too. Your lifestyle choices play a crucial role in maintaining your brain health. Let's start with exercise, a powerhouse activity with a multitude of benefits for both body and brain. Regular physical activity helps maintain healthy blood flow and oxygen supply to the brain, crucial for its smooth functioning. Additionally, it aids in the development of new brain cells, enhancing cognitive abilities and reducing the risk of dementia. So, whether it's a brisk walk in the park, an intense gym workout, or a relaxing yoga session, keep your body moving and your brain will thank you. Now let's not forget the importance of social activities. Engaging with others not only fosters emotional well-being, but also stimulates our brains. Conversations, shared experiences, and even the simple act of laughter can promote brain health. So, join that book club, volunteer for a local charity, or simply spend quality time with loved ones. It's not just fun, it's brain healthy too. However, while there are activities that boost brain health, there are also lifestyle factors that can harm it. Excessive alcohol consumption, for instance, is linked to an increased risk of dementia. Alcohol can cause brain changes that affect memory, thinking, and behavior. It's important to enjoy alcohol responsibly and be aware of its potential impact on your brain health. On a similar note, obesity is a risk factor for various health conditions, including dementia. It can lead to increased blood pressure, high cholesterol, and diabetes, all of which are detrimental to brain health. A balanced diet and regular exercise are key in maintaining a healthy weight. Lastly, let's not forget about sleep. Quality, restful sleep is essential for brain health. During sleep, our brains consolidate memories and remove toxins. Chronic sleep deprivation can lead to cognitive decline and an increased risk of dementia. So make sure you're getting enough shut-eye. Remember, every choice you make can either help or harm your brain health. Choose wisely.